Hi guys, it's FAYAZ and I'm back again at this Portico Resort after conducting team building sessions here for teams of Cisco as well as PhonePe, Dreams events, etc. I'm back again. This time I'm doing a team building for a team of Schneider Electric. This time it's going to be one of the first times in my career that I'm doing a team building session for the team of just 8 packs. So if you also are planning a team outing for your team, then this video is for you. Watch this video till the end to get some interesting ideas as to how you can also conduct your team outing sessions. Without any further delay, let's get started. Now you can maybe use the other hand now. And now gently give a pat on their back because every day you all work very hard in your respective organization. How many of us can whistle? Oh my god! So how many of us can tap our foot on the ground? Very good, very good. How many of us can clap as hard as possible? And how many of us can make some noise? Alright everybody, so 3, 2, 1, go! Now we'll go to the 3 clap all of them. Okay. One more. Switch.
And it has to make sense with the previous one and it has to give scope for the next person to also add something. Once upon a time is the first sentence.
There was a strategy, synergy and marketing. And the team was very diverse.
They did good work.
Hi, my name is Manisha. I like mountains and magic.
Very nice, very interesting. Magic, say you mean the other kind of magic that we see on a daily Harry Potter, okay. Mera dimag very bad hai, I went to black magic. Sir, please tell us your name.
My name is Tiger.
Something with H.
Difficult to pick out my interest in H. Nancy.
Nancy. Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm not that educated. Okay. But yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, my name is Shrija and I like to listen to stories about it.
Yeah. And I love your laugh as well. Can you laugh for me one more time? Okay. A simple activity, you might have seen this in the past on the internet. So this game, we will make the pyramids.
Very good. Ma'am, you dropped it. You also dropped it. Please go back in the line. You have 5 minutes. You can do whatever you want in that. Okay? Fast and Furious team has already built. Last 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds now. Oh, and time up. Lovely. Sir, no, we are doing it right. So they'll see. Yes, exactly. That's how you want to do it. Okay. The idea is that it not fall down on your way. If it falls down, pick it up and come back in the line. 2, 1, and go. Drop it inside. Sir, no. You have to wait for it. Yes, communication, coordination. We have to have a lot of compassion. We have to have a lot of clarity in whatever path we are choosing. We have to have a lot of conviction in whatever decisions we are taking, right? We have to have a lot of coordination amongst each other. So you must be thinking, why am I using so many C words? That's because this game that we'll be playing now is known as the C game. Your time starts in 3, 2, 1, go. Chair already chair hai. Chair will be counted. Don't say, yeah. Chair will be counted. O N E.
She snatched it from me.
And time is up. One. Yes, ma'am.
This is cleaning mop.
Cleaning mop. Okay, 3.
Calculator.
Calculator.
No, Excel.
No. 10. Which chair? 10. Okay. Now let's see what we've got. We've got a lot of objects. Let's start 1. Clutch. Curtain 2. That is 12. And chair is 3. Yes. You have to take the balloon, blow it, make it sizable, tie it, and then I tell you how to proceed. It is only 4. Yeah. Alright, so 3, 2, 1, start. This game is known as Riddle Me Out. What goes in dry comes out wet and gives a warm satisfaction. Not rice, but yes, टी बैग। ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जिसे आप जितना खींचो वो उतनी छोटी होती जाती है? And if your parents see it with you, you might get whacked.
Cigarette.
Now this game is again a combination of strategy and race. So you have a few minutes to strategize how you want to make this net out of the strings that has been given to you. Okay, and at the end of that you have to keep the ball on top of it, and then you have to balance that ball from this particular point till the finish line, which is those bowls kept there, and you have to drop the ball inside the bowl. Maybe anybody else in the team who has made you feel good? Any gratitude that you want to express to them?
Yeah, I think Schneider is one of the most energetic person I've ever met. She's always optimistic. She's up for anything that the team is doing as a whole. And in general, she's very approachable to talk to.
The only thing that has changed in 20 years is that instead of being an active competitor, I'm a passive.
Also, Akshay does a very great job in bringing us all together. We have been meetings where
You were so welcoming, you were also so warm to accept all the games, all the nuances. It took us some time to get into the vibe, but eventually I think it went out well. It's a very nice dialogue in the movie KGF, which says that अगर आप में confidence है कि आपके पीछे 100 लोग हैं, तो आप सिर्फ एक जंग जीतोगे. अगर लेकिन 100 लोगों को कॉन्फिडेंस है कि आप सामने खड़े हो तो आप पूरी दुनिया जीत लोगे. So we are here at the Sportico Resort with the amazing team of Schneider Electric. We just concluded a team building session. Did we all have fun today? Yes or no? Yes. Let's give 3 cheers for ourselves. Say hip hip.
And
Nice.
that show that you have been an RJ because the games were just presented as such. Is this
We should have invited you last night for our karaoke.